India's hospitality industry is on an exponential rise. Projected to cross $45 billion by 2030, with more than 88,000 rooms under development. The demand for skilled hospitality professionals has never been greater. To meet this demand, Confederation of Indian Industry, in association with EHL Hospitality Business School Switzerland, has established the CII Institute of Hospitality to offer Swiss Professional Diploma with ITC Hotels as industry partners. ITC Hotels embodies grandeur, elegance and the timeless Indian ethos of Atithi Devo Bhava, where every guest is treated as divine. Here, students are trained in a living classroom within the luxurious ITC hotels, guided by EHL certified managers, chefs and leaders across culinary, food and beverage and rooms division. Backed by international credentials, the program offers 3 specializations, culminating in the prestigious VET by EHL Swiss Professional Diploma. The journey is rigorous and immersive, combining online classes, practical sessions, and 4 days of supervised on-the-job training each week, instilling precision, creativity, and discipline. From the first center at ITC Maurya, New Delhi, to 10 centers across ITC hotels, the program is one of India's fastest growing hospitality education models, accredited by NCVET, Government of India, with over 100% placement assistance. Over 600 graduates have launched global careers in leading hotels and international chains. At the CII Institute of Hospitality, students don't just learn, they transform. From learners to leaders, shaping the future of Indian hospitality today.